Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a very exciting, very long actually, very exciting but very lengthy, so make sure you have some sort of beverage with you. I mean, we've got nothing else to do if we're being really honest, so so obsessed with all the pieces that I've picked out for today's haul. Like, I feel like you guys are going to be obsessed. You're gonna love them. I absolutely love them. Today's video is going to be an autumn winter try on haul, a misguided autumn winter try on haul. Shout out to Misguided for kindly sponsoring today's video. I've got some absolute gems, and I know I probably say that every single time, but every single time I do a try on haul, it's like excitement. My nails are probably a dead giveaway. My nails are like a really good color theme for today's video. Lots of brown, lots of cream, autumnal colors, young forest green, some whites. The color palette here is very trendy, like a lot of trendy colors like the creams, the browns. Yeah, I'm very excited for today's one. I think there's a few gems, and I think there's loads of stuff that you guys are also going to really love. I've also got an extensive coat collection in today's video, so there's a lot of excitement. Make sure you're comfortable. In the interest of saving time, because this could go on for a long time, I'm going to show everything in like pairs because I've tried everything on. I'm trying to buy outfits and less items, because I buy a lot of items and then when it comes to styling them, I'm like, what am I going to wear this with? So I've purposely bought things that can be worn together with other things in the haul, as well as stuff I already have in my wardrobe. So that's what I had in mind, just to save space, because I tend to just buy so many clothes and I'm just like, what am I doing with all these clothes? This does not go with this. So I was like, do you know what? I did a massive clear out, and then I did a massive clear out, and I'm like, okay, going into autumn winter, let's be intuitively buying things that we know go together, or we know go with something in our wardrobe. Right, having said that, I'm going to show everything in like outfits to give you guys an idea of how I would wear everything. So I've got these joggers. Listen guys, I have a deep obsession with cream white joggers. These are actually whites. These joggers are so comfortable, so soft. I got them in a UK 10, and I've paired them with this crop top that I'm actually wearing today. Forest green crop top, which again fits like a dream. Fits so comfortably. One that you can wear indoors, you can also wear it outside, you can layer it with other pieces. It's a very nice colour, it's like a dark green, very complimentary. Wearing the top in a UK 8, and it is beautiful, so flattering, very good quality. I was very surprised because it's super affordable, but the quality is so nice. Forest green, this top is fire. Quality on 100. The material is that nice thickness that it like forms to your body. It just sits really beautifully, and I've paired it with these white joggers. Listen, if you know me, you know I love a white jogger. You know I love a white jogger, so I've paired it with these white joggers. Why I actually particularly love this pair is because they make me look like I have hips and I'm very blessed in many areas. The hip area is not one of them, but I love these. They're so comfortable as well, very soft. They have pockets, very big pockets. Listen, I have a thing about pockets. I feel like I bring up pockets in every autumn winter haul, or every haul I do. I'm like, pockets, because they just really don't be put in pockets in female clothing, and it's irritating. Like, what? Nice pockets, so soft. I got the joggers in a UK 10 and I got the top in a UK 8. And then the shoes, might as well do accessories while we're here. These shoes, so I actually got them in cream. I also got them in black. I prefer the cream way more. They're just these square toe sock boots, and I'm not usually like a jogger boot kind of babe. I'm not really that kind of babe, but I think they go so well with this outfit. And of course, while we're on the theme of accessories, I actually think I paired this with the next outfit, but I'm going to show you it now. It's this Bottega inspired chunky gold handle, and then the woven leather, like faux leather material. Very trendy, and the Bottega effect is definitely strong this season, very strong. See, I wanted to pick that up. I just think as an outfit, lovely, like beautiful. Love that. Oh Jesus, sorry. Still with the same joggers, but I switched tops. So this top, listen, I got it in, what's this, cream color. I also picked it up in black. Now these, because of the what material, it's like elasticated. I got them both in a, this is a UK 6, both in a UK 6. When I tell you this snatches you in, waist on MIA, waist on AWOL. Waist is not present. She's not, I'm gonna have to send out a search party for her because she's not active in this chat. These, the way they just suck you in, boobs looking lovely, waist looking tiny, and then obviously with the joggers, because the joggers give that the false sense of having hips, it's it's just amazing. Again, one that you can wear indoors, and you can, a lot of this stuff you can wear indoors and you can also dress up to wear outside, which is my favorite way to shop. Yeah, really love this and really love it in the black as well. Why am I, the color on this keeps moving absolutely mad. Can we just, the color keeps doing a madness, but I absolutely love this. This is gorgeous. Love it in the black as well. For the black, I paired it with, oh my, when I saw these on site, I said, those are a bit of me. Those are a bit of me. So it's this, I got two. So we've got, it was part of like the same, they were kind of released at the same time, the same collection. They're these like flare joggers. Flare joggers, flare bottoms, but these are joggers that are flared. How did it take me so long to say that, what I was trying to say? These are joggers that are flared, and then we've got rib trousers that are flared. So with the joggers that I flared, I paired it with the black elastic top, and I got this in a UK 8. Probably could have got a UK 6 to be honest. Super comfortable. When I put this on Instagram, everyone was like, yo, flared joggers, a concept. Everyone was loving the flared joggers. Honestly, these are really, really lovely. Again, one that you could pair with so many things already in your wardrobe. Crop tops, jumpers, cardies, like a whole heap of stuff. I love this. I really, really love this. So comfortable, and I love the colour as well. I will say though, it's a more of like a purpley brown. On site, it looks more of like a earthy brown, but in person, it's definitely more of like a deeper purpley brown. So just bear that in mind. And then the flared joggers. Flared trousers, ribbed flare trousers, anything ribbed, I'm like, yeah, sign me up, I want it. Yeah, there. These I got in an 8. I actually wish I got these in a 6. So if you are going to get them, just size down. But these are also very lovely, and they both have the misguided print along like the upper thigh. Again, one that you can pair with so many things you already have. Bodysuits, crop tops, crop jumpers, cardies. We're going to be inside a lot, so might as well be comfortable. Leather trousers to wear with the crop top, as you can see in the cutout. This white crop top has been such a hit for me. I absolutely love it. That cut gives the illusion of a smaller waist. And then these faux leather trousers, they're cream. So the top I got in a 6 and the bottoms I got in an 8. These fit so well. And it really surprised me, because usually I don't expect trousers to fit me that well because of the smaller waist. I don't really have hips, but I have like a bit of a bum. Smaller waist, that tends to be like, that throws outfits off. But these fit really, really nicely. I really, really love these. I get so many compliments every time I wear these. Everyone's like, oh my god, where are they from? Where are they from? But like, people absolutely love them. I also love them. I think they're so nice. And I really love pairing it with that crop top. I'll insert the video obviously of me trying it on, and then you can also see where I've worn it out, like out and about with the crop top. Lovely. And also good one to pair with the bag as well. Moving on. Oh, we've got the comfy bits. So I just got this set. It's very Skims-esque with the exposed, you know, like male boxers, they have the exposed crotch areas. So I really like the colouring of this. I like the thick waistband. I think that's a plus. So I got the leggings, and then I also got the high neck top to pair with it. They are a pair. There's other parts of this, like it's like a whole collection, so they have like a bralette and like a boxer type of vibe. Very nice, very comfortable. I bought this to really wear indoors, to be really honest. So I got the top in a UK 8. I got the bottoms, the leggings, no, so I got the, excuse me, I got the leggings in it. I got the top and the leggings both in a UK 8. Just like a comfy one to wear indoors. I don't really wear leggings that much. So I was like, let me get myself a pair of leggings, because I don't really be wearing leggings like that. Next, we've just got, look, me, I'm very simple. Oversized joggers, oversized tee, I'm good to go. So I just got another set. And I love tie-dye. I really love tie-dye. This orange tie-dye is so pretty. Every time I bring the thing up, it throws my colouring off balance, so I'm just gonna keep it down there. So I got the joggers and the top just to wear kind of casually with maybe like Chuck Taylors and Vans or Converse, and just like a nice oversized jacket, more of like a comfy, you know, sometimes where you're dashing out and you don't really want to think about your outfit, but you know, okay, I've got joggers and a top that I can wear, that kind of vibe. I love an oversized fit. So the top I got in a UK 12, and then the bottoms I got in a 10. I wish I'd have got the bottoms in an 8, because actually I think they are made to be more of like a slim fit jogger. So oversized slim fit joggers don't really work, so just get your normal size basically. I wouldn't size up with the joggers, but with the top you can absolutely size up. And with the top it's like great because it can double up in the summer just to wear with shorts. So great in the winter and also like great in the summer. I got this jumpsuit. Now, I wish I'd got this in a UK 6. I got an 8 and it's just a bit too big for me. So I've had to tie up the back, which I don't really care because I have long hair anyway, so it covers it. So if you are going to get this, maybe size down 1 or 2 sizes just so it fits really nicely. Apart from that, I really love this. Again, another one that I just kind of got so I can throw on like simple outfits, just throw on some, like maybe grab some food. No, I will not be grabbing some food with some friends, but just like a really simple outfit when you don't really want to think about your outfit, you just want to grab and go. That's why I got that. Really like it actually. Again, I love a jumpsuit because again, you could wear it with trainers if you wanted to cash it up, you could wear it with heels if you wanted to dress it up. So I find that jumpsuits give you a lot of variety. Okay, you know what? The coats I'm just going to, because they're too big to get them in the frame anyway, I'm just going to talk through them on the side. So the first one, we've got this shacket. Oh my goodness. When I told my friend, so I went to visit my friend, and you know guys are absolutely flipping clueless. He was like, I really like your coat. I said, it's not a coat, it's a shacket. It's a cross between a shirt and a jacket. But this shacket is lovely. No fault, absolutely love it. I'll leave all the sizes for the coats down below. This shacket I love. I love the color. The color is very like spring, but I just love it. The color's probably coming out a bit more, I don't think it's true to color on camera, but it's a really nice mint green. So beautiful, so nice. Love the shacket. I got it a bit bigger so it's oversized, but yeah, obsessed. Next we've got this fur trim faux leather coat. It's like a faux leather white fur trim. I just had the idea of wearing it with like hoodie, joggers and like comfy shoes. That's like my idea for this. Or if I wore like a really nice, like with the faux leather jacket, faux leather pants, leather trousers, sorry, a crop top and then the fur trim white coat. Beautiful. I just absolutely love this. Oh, it's so pretty. And then next we have these aviator leather jackets. So with the aviator leather jackets, I got it in 2 colors. I got it in the grey and I also got it in, so I'm looking at my phone because I've got all the videos, sorry. So I got it in the grey and I also got it in this like camel brown. So the brown looked a lot richer on site, but it's actually in real life it's more of like a pale pinkish brown than a like earthy brown, but still very lovely. I got a 10 in both. One is actually part of the petite section and then the other one is just normal. I would say size up several sizes because these aviator jackets are not made oversized. I think typically with aviator jackets they are made to be worn quite oversized, but these ones seem to be made quite fittingly. They have a high neck, so if you want an oversized feel you will have to size up for these, but they're really nice. They've got like a fur trim, high neck, so lovely. Both of them I kind of envision wearing with all black outfits, and then the coat just doing the talking, and I think that's how I'm going to wear those. Finally, we've got this really cute fur hooded jacket with a zip up, and I love this because it has adjustable toggles on the inside, so you can make it like a cuffed, so it cuffs onto you. Just get another one if I was wearing a simple outfit, I'd just throw it on top, maybe with some Uggs, and then be on my way. You know what I mean? So yeah, the jackets I didn't actually take that much to talk through because there is so many. There's no point holding them up because you can't really see them to their full extent. So I'm just going to show them to you guys once again. So we've got the mint green jacket, which I love. The white trim faux leather jacket, love. The aviator grey and the aviator like camel brown, both love. Make sure you size up. I would even say size up two sizes if you want it oversized, like super oversized. And then of course the hooded fur trim jacket, which is just so cute. I'm surprised. I thought I was going to be sitting here talking for ages. I think showing you guys the pieces with how I would pair it, I think I really like that. Let me know if you prefer that format moving forward. Sometimes it's difficult if you just see like an item and you're like, how would I really pair that? So I wanted to do it so you would see the items working together and see the vision I had when I picked out these pieces. Thank you so much to MISSGUIDED for sponsoring this video. I hope you guys loved it. Please let me know what you think. Do you want to see more hauls? Do we want more hauls? Let me know down in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.